Hey friend, today I want to take you on a journey. So grab your coffee or your kahawa or your jabana. You're gonna need it. Once upon a twilight, I fell madly in love, seriously in love with these two women at the same time. Their names, Arabic and French. I'll start with my first Habibti, Arabic, then my confidant, mon cher française. I've always been drawn to this beautiful dream of a language. But my actual journey starts in 2022 when I moved to Sudan. Yeah, it's a shame. I've been a beginner for about 3 years. I must confess, but yeah, sue me. So one day, I'm in the comfort of my home, surrounded by my people, the people who understand me. And then, boom. The next, I'm at the airport in a foreign country with cab drivers screaming this very alien language I can't quite decipher. Strange words they were. I'm not even sure what they wanted to do. Kidnap me? I really needed to Google the word no ASAP because my kidneys, they weren't for sale. Not that I think of it, the word kidnapping might come from the word kidney, because kidnapping doesn't really only happen to kids. Interesting. Anyways, I'll spare you the details. Spoilers though, I only managed to learn just a handful of Arabic phrases in Sudan. Still a shame. Anyways, fast forward a year later, back to my country. It's dinner time, and I'm busy showing my granny this impressive skill I just learned. Which skill, you might ask? Reading Arabic alphabet. It was quite impressive. And a few phonics from yours truly, the Green Owl, Duolingo. Yeah, the seed was planted. I really love the tonation, the expression, the impression of Arabic speakers so much. To me, eventually learning Arabic and using the expressions like a native speaker was such a flex no one could ever comprehend, and still is. I can comfortably say all the Arabic I can read to this date is all thanks to Duolingo. I can read Arabic text just fine. At least I can make sense of a few joined letters. Okay, here's a few things I learned while teaching myself how to read Arabic. You're gonna need to have your notebooks ready for this one. First, unlike English, reading Arabic is sort of like words or sounds flowing, pouring into each other. And that's as far as I can go to explain it really. Like a Y will sound like an E on a bad day or an I on a normal day. It's that weird. And that's just how it is. One thing though that got me screaming furiously at my Arabic speaking friends is the fact that the way words are normally written, on the streets everywhere, they don't include vowels. It's assumed that you know the word already, so your mind has to automatically fill in the vowels. It's like starting to learn English, and the words are written like MCHNE to mean machine.
And this could mean anything, ya habibi. Anything, wallahi. Like beautiful or butterfly.
You get the point? It tickles my brain, and it's so annoying, man. Then I kept saying, obviously what I need is to read words that include vowels. I mean, just the way I learned them. Right, right, wrong. Like, wrong. Don't do it. It is Arabic, bro. Because if you've ever gotten the chance to look into the Holy Quran, this is how words are written. As a beginner, this really messes up with your brain. It's too much to take in. You keep seeing these small ninjas above and below different parts of just the same word. Some of them are doing backflips, some weird movements, and then some of them look exactly like the other ninjas, but they keep telling you that they produce different sounds like,
What the hell?
So at this point, I'm actually stuck between the devil and the deep blue sea, or in this case, between spending my whole day trying to read one word or pretend to know what I'm reading and just go with the flow, literally. I chose the latter, to just pretend to know what I'm reading. Step one of reading Arabic: pretend there is an A in the middle of every letter. Every single letter. Unless someone comes, screams in your face that it's supposed to be an E this time. Yeah, that's when you switch. I know you've been waiting for the simple part. Unfortunately, There is no simple parts when it comes to Arabic. It's Arabic, bro. However, if it's any consolation, there's only three vowels in Arabic. In comparison to English, which has five, yeah, shame on you, English. But hey, I'm only as smart as Patrick from SpongeBob, and yet I too can manage to read this beautiful language. So there's a sign that you can too. And in my next lesson that I'll be uploading tomorrow, inshallah, if you're still around, I'll officially begin to teach you what I know in Arabic through my journey, telling you stories, and everything else in between. I hope you stay around. Till then, I'll see you soon. Damn, I need a nap.